What's going on, you guys? This is MXKDI. I have another Dell Latitude E7270. Gonna be upgrades. This is an Intel Core i7 6th gen. It's got a touchscreen with a 12.5-inch screen. Resolution is 1920 by 1080. So I'm just gonna go on the back side. So you will need a Phillips mini head screwdriver, and I'm using a flathead also mini. So there are 3 screws in the left, 2 in the middle, 2 in the right side. There's 3 screws. So you remove the back cover. So first, before you're gonna be upgrading, you have to disconnect the battery. Here in the corner, right corner, there's a tab. So I'm gonna remove the tape here, since I'm going to be replacing the battery at the same time. And yeah, this new battery, if you guys are going to buy it online, brand new Dell Gen battery, genuine Dell battery, around about $120, brand new. And they do not include the cable. You have to use the original cable. So what I will do is, there's one screw in the left, one on the right, that you have to remove. I'm going to put it here on the right side. So before I'm installing the battery, I'm going to upgrade the RAM. It's got total 8 gigs. And I'm going to be upgrading to a match pair, total of 16 gigs. That's 8 gig per each slot. You guys can use a crucial memory. I want to put a link in the description. This is a Micron memory. Install the battery. And this is actually the same battery. This one was a January of 2017. The newer one is a February 2017. So you're gonna take you're not gonna connect the battery to. We're gonna upgrade to solid state drive. I'm gonna be using the Samsung 970 EVO 1 terabyte. This is the NVMe. It's got a 512 gigs here. M.2 2280. We'll install it back. Now what I'll do is I'm going to connect the battery connector back to the motherboard. And I'm going to install back the tape here, the white tape, like this. And I forgot to take a brush to brush off the fan, like this. Now what I'll do is install back the cover. Forgot to install the screw for the left and right side for the battery. And you're not supposed to install a screw here in the middle because the cover will install automatically on the cover. Yeah, the battery screw here is in the middle, right here where the cover is. And you have to align, make sure. Okay. I'm gonna go the other side like this. Just check the right side. It's all good. So I'm going to turn it back on because I already installed the Windows on it. On the new NV to desktop. I'm gonna get my phone quickly. And let's see. So I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna go to BIOS settings, F2. Have to wait till it boots. Okay, boots. Now I'm gonna go to BIOS settings. You have to press F2. Okay, I'm in the BIOS. Now I'm gonna go to boot sequence. That's what I'm going to. So you're gonna go to boot sequence, and you're gonna change. Let me see if I can zoom in on my phone. So you're gonna go to boot sequence. You're gonna change to UEFI, and the boot sequence you will see the new Samsung SSD 97 EVO 1TB installed. And let's see, and the latest. So the BIOS I have installed in this system is 1.22.8, and this is the latest BIOS installed in March of 2020. So I'm just gonna go ahead and save. We got touchscreen. Okay. Just wait till it boots. That's pretty nice. It's got a touchscreen. It's got a backlit keyboard, i7 6600U CPU installed. So I'm in the Windows now. I'm gonna go ahead and let's see if I can go to downloads, and I'm gonna go Crystal Disk Mark. and run it. See what the speed you can get on it. And it's running Windows 10 Professional 64-bit. So yeah, basically this laptop, guys, Dell Latitude E7270 supports only PCI Express 3.0 ×2 protocol. So basically, yeah, with this solo, with the 97 EVO will work perfectly fine. Because the solid state drive, that's an NVMe, it supports ×4 protocol. But this one, the laptop one, supports ×2, so it slows down the reading and writing speed, you can see. But still going to be faster than the original that's installed here, the Micron I have here, the M.2 2280. So this is 512 gigs. I recommend going at least 500 gigs. If you go on 250, that's not going to be enough storage probably. You're going to run out of space. I'm just going to wait till the last part, till it stops. So guys, this is the writing speed you see you get. I'm going to go to control panel. Okay, so all set. I'm just going to go to system info. So yeah, it's got 16 gigs of RAM installed, 1 terabyte solid state drive, all set to go. I'm just going to go ahead and shut this laptop off. Go here and shut down. We're all set. So guys, this will be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.